I'm Nathan Phillips. We're at McFadin Farms here in Uvalde, Texas. We just got a rinky pivot that supplies water for a 190-acre center circle. It is equipped with basically Rain Cloud, which is an app that allows us to start it and stop it from a mobile device. Oh, this system is outstanding. It uses GPS technology. We can start it from our mobile devices from anywhere on the farm, even in town if we wanted to, but we always choose to be here on location to do that as far as a safety parameter, but it also gives us messages when there's a fault with the system. In addition, we now know, we're using low emission as far as the water goes to basically be more conscientious about what our water's doing, where it's being placed, and then to prevent evaporation and transpiration. Oh yeah, so a center pivot is going to be a pivot. The pivot point will be at the middle of the circle, and then there will be multiple towers as you go out. Each tower moves at a different speed that's set on the outside tower, and then that's how it basically, you set an amount of water that you want to get out, and then that, based on the speed of the towers and the volume of water, is how much water is basically put out on your ground to irrigate. Mostly corn and cotton are our two main crops. In addition, we'll grow cabbage, cucumbers, wheat, and then sunflowers as well. We have both Edwards water, and then we have what's called a Buda formation that's here local to Uvalde, and that's our main sources of water, both those two. We can irrigate in a timely and efficient manner through center pivot versus row water. We were talking yesterday, it took us a week or more to get across 30 acres with flood irrigation, and we can do the same amount of water on that ground in basically 24 hours. The one thing about that that's interesting is what they will argue is that the flood irrigation, you're totally soaking that soil. However, the ability to get that water everywhere you want to, on every piece that you want to, that's the part that takes so long. Someone would say that the flood irrigation, that water is going to last longer, but you can consistently and efficiently apply with a pivot irrigation system. Oh my gosh, it's everything. Water and soil health are the two most important things. So having the soil right, having good organic matter, having fertility, those are just the most important things that we deal with day in and day out at the farm. I love it, so our farm is family. I tell people the 3 F's, faith, family, and farm, so those are 3 things I feel strongly about. We have such a great team here. The guys that I get to work with, I don't consider them employees. They're a part of our team. Archie, my father-in-law, will talk about how we don't have people that work for us, we have people that work with us. And so that's what I really enjoy. I enjoy every year is different, every year is a challenge, every year has its own opportunities, its own threats, if you will, or risks. And it's that dynamic that changes constantly that makes it fun.